Something about Subaru dye, sometimes it doesn't give you the exact color that you want, but I still love this color. The packet says it's white. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Just in case you're new, hi, my name is Naomy Kikky, and today I'll be dyeing her hair. Yeah, she's coming. I'll be dyeing her hair white, and this is the dye that this is the dye that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using Subaru dye. It goes for 60 bob. It's white in color. Focus. Yeah, white in color. It has these two packets in there, and then it had this color. I just poured it here in this chocolate. Then I'll be mixing them using this toothbrush, and I have my gloves. Let me show you as I mix the mixture, and then we can start applying the white dye on her hair. So this Subaru dye comes with these two, this powder and then the liquid that is always on a bottle. Then you mix the two, make sure umemix vizuri, and then after that you start applying on your hair. It depends with how you want to apply. Penye unataka kuanza, I mean. Then you normally given those gloves, and then you can leave it for 1 hour or 30 minutes depending na venye unataka ishike. The more time you give it, the more the dye itashika. So I feel like if you left it for like 30 minutes for 1 hour, because you left it for like 20 to 30 minutes, ingekuwa even more pretty, like hata ingetokea maybe white, but here we achieved blonde. But sometimes I think with Subaru dye, sometimes it doesn't give you the color that you want. Sometimes inasema ni color 33 but inakupea 30. Yeah, that's how it does, especially white. This was supposed to be white, but it turned out to be color 30. But some patches, as you can see, you will see at the end, some patches are white. Yeah, some patches are white and some are blonde. And while washing this dye, make sure you wash vizuri, because sometimes when ukibakisha kaa hutaosha vizuri, I think that's how it cuts your hair. You see, I hear some people complaining sijui ati dye imekata nywele yake. It does that only if you don't wash completely. Kama hutaosha vizuri, that's how it cuts your hair. So make sure you rinse it very nicely. And then this Subaru dye goes for 60 bob, so you can buy the reason I wanted to do this video is to show you that it's not a must you go to a salon and get someone to dye your hair, ulipe. You can do it at home like I'm doing on her hair. And also I also have a video that I was dyeing my hair months ago, and I think you guys loved it. That's why I decided to film this one, just in case you didn't watch that one. I'll link it in the description box or up here. You can go check it. I feel like on that video it was so detailed, and I gave everything that you all need to know about dyeing your hair at home. And this is how it looks after I have applied. Now we're going to leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour until your color ishike. So guys, this is the final look. You can see how pretty it looks. Amekaa na shower cap for 40 minutes hivi. And then aka rinse, and this is how it looks. but haijatokea white, but unaona iko almost. Hii ni color gani? Ni kama 30 hivi, like color 30. Yeah. And it looks so pretty. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and I love the transformation. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below what you think. Yay, I'm happy. And this is the final look, guys, but I think this is blonde, but I feel like if we left it for some time ingeturn ata white. But I love this color. I love how it turned out, and I love the blending. And that's it from me today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me see you on my next video. Bye.